Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a home project that I wanted to share with you. Very excited that we finally got this thing off of our plates last weekend. And when I say we, I mean Chris, using that term very loosely. I didn't really contribute to this particular project. I was more of oversight, I would say. So we designed and built this house in 2020. Chris actually stayed on the East Coast and managed the project while me and the kids were on the West Coast, while Oakley, my oldest, was filming her TV show. And when we moved here, we moved into this house the week of COVID lockdowns. It was like perfect timing. And then we had our third child, so it's just basically a big long excuse for why our house isn't done being decorated. So please enjoy, and I hope it gives you a little bit of modern farmhouse inspo for your next do-it-yourself project.